Let's discuss about MS Access, tables and forms. So first of all, we'll discuss about sorting. So what is sorting? If we want to arrange the data in the sequence in a table, suppose we used to have number of tables in a database, and this database, any of the table, the data is, if it is in the haphazard form, it will be very disturbing for us. So to arrange in the sequence, this term is known as sorting. If we want to arrange the data in the sequence, that is known as. Now we'll come to the next topic, that is filter. Suppose we are having the database and we want to extract certain information from any of the table. So that is known as filter. Means we are extracting some important information. For example, suppose I want the names of the students who have scored more than 90%. So what is there? We will give the condition greater than 90. That will be our criteria. Criteria is a condition. So on the basis of this criteria, we can extract the information, that is. Okay, so we have discussed just now what is criteria. Criteria is the condition which we apply to extract information from the table. Now next, we'll discuss about sorting by selection. When we sort by selection, that is, we are applying their single criteria. Means one of the condition we can give in selection option. And the steps of commands by which we can give, please remember, home tab, sort and filter group, and selection option on the ribbon. Next comes sorting by form. When we want to apply multiple criteria, means more than one condition using or an and operator, we will use sorting by form. And for this purpose, in the ribbon, we are having, under the home tab, we are having sort and filter group, in which we will get advanced option, and we'll click on that, by which we'll get filter by form sub option. We can click on filter by form and we can get the sorting by form for multiple criteria, for multiple conditions, more than one we can apply. Now next comes, if we want to apply the relationship between the tables, we will use in the ribbon database tab, database tools tab, and relationship group. Under the relationships group, we will have relationship option, with the help of which we can apply relationship using the primary key. We can drag from one of the primary key to another primary key and can set the relationship between two tables and can perform the query. Now we'll discuss types of form. To have four types of form. First is multiple form, second is split form, third is datasheet form, and the fourth is dialog form. Multiple forms are the forms in which we used to have multiple items, more than one records can be displayed in a form. Next is split form. Split form is divided into two parts. The top part is having the form, and below part, the bottom part, will have the records, that is the datasheet view. When we'll say the datasheet type of form, third type, it will have only the datasheet. So this is means in the form of records. And the fourth is model dialog. Here a dialog will appear which will be there in the form mode, a dialog box. So this way today we have discussed about MS Access. Thank you.